Greetings and welcome to the Agile Store Locator plugin. In this video, I'll show you how to assign store branches to a main store. So let's get started. So over here we have a store locator widget with 7 stores, and let's say we want to make 6 of these stores as store branches to the main store. So to do this, we will simply head over to WordPress first and then go to the Agile Store Locator plugin, click on ASL settings. Then under the general tab, we will scroll down here to the store branches section. Now we have two options over here. The first option is to display just the parent marker on the map, and the other one is to display all the markers on the map or all the branches on the map. So let's take a look at both of these options one by one. Starting with the first one, select it, come down here and click on Save Settings. Once that's done, we will go to the Manage Store section. Now let's select a main store or the head office and assign store branches to it. Let's do it for this branch over here, the First National Bank head office. So scroll down here to the store branches section, click on it. Now let's assign the store branches to this store. Once all the branches have been assigned, click on Update Store and come back to the store locator template or the store locator widget and click on Refresh. And as you can see, all the 6 branches have been merged into the main store or the head office, which you can also see here on the store list. To view all the branches, you can simply click on the View All Branches button here, and all the branches will be displayed on the map as well. Now let's take a look at the second option, which was to display all the branches of the map. So let's select it. Once again, scroll down here and click on Save Settings. Now when you go to the store locator widget and refresh it, now you can see just the store branches are being displayed on the map as we made the change on the ASL settings page. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.